Text-to-speech technology has improved massively over the last few years, and ElevenLabs is now one of the most popular tools for creating realistic AI narration from simple text. Whether you're making YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or social media content, this platform can save a huge amount of time. So in this guide, I'll show you how to convert text to speech with ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open the ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account to get started. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll generate your AI audio. Next, select an AI voice from the voice library. ElevenLabs offers different accents, tones, languages, and speaking styles depending on your content needs. Now type or paste your text into the editor, so you can convert scripts, articles, tutorials, stories, or business content into spoken audio. One of the most useful features in ElevenLabs is voice customization. Yeah, you can adjust settings like stability, clarity, pacing, and style to improve the final sound. After everything looks good, click the Generate button and let ElevenLabs create the text-to-speech audio automatically. Now listen to the generated speech carefully. If any sentence sounds unnatural, you can edit the wording, add punctuation, or regenerate the audio. When the narration sounds right, download the audio file in your preferred format and use it in your projects. Now you can add the AI narration into YouTube videos, TikTok clips, podcasts, presentations, audiobooks, or marketing content. And honestly, the best text-to-speech results usually come from natural writing. So using conversational language, pauses, and shorter sentences can make the AI sound much more human. And that's your full guide on how to convert text to speech with ElevenLabs in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create realistic AI narration quickly and easily.